Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm really excited to announce our brand new indicator on TradingView, the VWAP-Anchored MACD. This isn't just a cosmetic twist on the MACD, it's a complete upgrade in how you read momentum. By anchoring everything to real volume flow and filtering out the weak, useless crossovers, it gives you a cleaner, more reliable view of trend strength. In the next few minutes, I'll break down exactly why this outperforms a standard MACD and how each feature tightens your decision making. So let's get into it. So the number one feature we can see, of course, is we have our traditional VWAP plotted in a separate pane. However, this is anchored by a VWAP calculation, so it tracks momentum based on where real volume is actually committed. So not just raw price averages as in the standard MACD calculation. That makes it harder to fake and it's more institutionally aligned than a classic MACD. Not only that, we have adaptive trend shifts, so the fast and slow EMAs are applied to VWAP instead of price, so the indicator gives you genuine shifts in the market direction and not just random price noise. We also have a zero line noise filter, so rather than having lots of crossovers be plotted as signals on our price chart, which can make the chart look very confusing and overcrowd our decision making, we have added this filter so that you only see signals where momentum is strong enough to matter. So for example, here you can see we had a crossover here, and this is quite a distance away from our H line here. And then you can see we've had a signal plotted here. So if you had chosen to take a long entry here and followed it all the way up to the next crossover and exited your position here, you can see that you would have made quite substantial profits. Similarly, if we'd taken a short at this position here, where we had our crossover happen at an extreme distance from the H line, then we also would have caught some really impressive profits from this short here. Not only that, we have momentum-based candle coloring. So the candles sync with MACD momentum direction, which gives you immediate visual structure. This is trend clarity without needing to flip between charts. Not only that, the final feature, as we mentioned previously, are our diamond plots. And these are true, valid only buy-sell markers. So that means that these only fire, as we mentioned, when a crossover and the zero threshold conditions are met. There's no spam, no micro chops, no whipsaws. As always, with all Boswell's indicators, we have tooltips assigned to each of our inputs to ensure that you understand how each input will affect our VWAP-anchored MACD. As we mentioned with the zero line threshold, you're also able to tailor this to your own liking. So if you prefer to see more signals, perhaps when they're closer to the H line, you can reduce this, and you can increase it if you prefer to see fewer signals where they have much greater distance from the H line and much higher confluence. So that's it. A really interesting and powerful adjustment to the traditional MACD. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll include a link to the indicator in the TradingView description. And not only that, make sure to join our Discord using the link in the description to get access to signals, free premium indicators, and other really exciting developments. So that's it. I'll catch you in the next one.